Today I'll show you how I created this epic digital awakening transformation video using Wondershare Filmora. Firstly, open Filmora. Now, we will make AI video by using template. So, come to stock media, then AI media. And then, search here aerial equilibrium. Here I am using this. Upload your image here and click on generate. And wait couple of seconds. Now file is generated in the My Files. From here you can access your generated file. Similarly, we will generate two more. For it, search here futuristic. And here I will choose Neon Pulse Night. And other one is Cyber Nova Rush. Now bring it to timeline one by one and do some adjustment. After it, come to Effect section, and then Search Breakout, and then apply to the first clip. And search another effect that is Depth 3D Split. Now apply to second clip. Now, I will add transition into it. Now, I will add title. And the title name is Ashen Fade 02. After all, we will generate AI audio. You may apply to it. Now it's ready to export.